In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share templates with assistants using a workspace while keeping your original files protected. If you eventually bring on assistants to help with paperwork, quotes, or other admin tasks, it's really important to set things up in a way that keeps everything organized and consistent. You want your team to be able to use your templates, but you also don't want anyone accidentally changing the original version you rely on. That's exactly where shared workspaces can help. To begin, go to your templates list. This is where all of your saved templates are stored. So take a moment to locate the one you want your team to use. Once you've found the correct template, click the three dots next to it. This will open the options menu for that specific template. From there, choose Share to Workspace. This action makes the template available to other people in your shared workspace, which is especially useful if multiple team members need access to the same formatting and structure. One important thing to understand is that shared templates are read only. That means your team can open them and use them to send quotes, but they won't be able to directly edit or overwrite your original master template. This is a very helpful safeguard because it protects your design, wording, and layout from accidental changes. If you've spent time fine-tuning a template, this feature helps make sure that version stays intact. Now, there may be times when a team member does need to make changes for their own use. In that case, they should go to the Shared with Me folder. That's where the shared template will appear on their side. Instead of editing the shared version, they can select Make a Copy. This creates a separate independent version that they can customize without affecting the original template in the workspace. This setup gives you the best of both worlds. Your team gets quick access to the templates they need, and you keep control over the master versions. It also helps maintain consistency across quotes and documents, which is especially useful when more than one person is handling client-facing paperwork. If you're planning to delegate administrative work in the future, this is a simple but smart system to put in place early. It saves time, reduces mistakes, and makes collaboration much smoother as your workflow grows.